Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I will be guiding you to create a CV in Microsoft Word. So, Microsoft Word is basically a software or a tool from which you can create different types of documents according to your needs. So you can create documents, you can write different reports, you can write research proposals, or anything you want to document in a digital form, and then you can take print of that document. So as you all know that CV is basically very important for your career. Most of the times you are selected or you are rejected depending upon the quality of your CV or quality of your cover letter. So it is very important that you create a very professional and eye-catching CV, so which can attract the employer, and you are selected for this first step, which is interview. So make sure that whenever you apply for your job or apply for your scholarship or any opportunity where you want to work in the future, that you must get to the next level, which is to get accepted for the interview. So that step is very dependent upon the quality of your CV, because first impression the employer will establish for your personality is basically from your CV. So you make sure that your CV is very professional. So today I will be guiding you that how can you create a very professional CV in Microsoft Word. So for that you must have Microsoft Word installed in your laptop or computer. Otherwise you can use it online as well. So you can go to Google Docs as well and you can create your CV from that. So when I open the Microsoft Word software, in the opening window I can see different types of document here. So you can see different built-in templates, which are already created documents in the uh, Microsoft Word software. So these are the directory which contains different types of pre-written documents. They are pre-written, well formatted, and written according to the needs of different people. So if you want to create a calendar, you can create easily calendar. You can customize this calendar according to your need. Plus, if you want to create a brochure for your restaurant, then you can easily select this document and then you can edit this document according to your needs. So this is very useful for your daily routine, and you can easily automate your work, right? You don't have to research for the format, or you don't have to research for the design of your document, because it is already designed and you just have to edit the details there. So if I select the resume and cover letter here, then you can see all those documents which are related to your resume or cover letter. So I have a bunch of options here. I can select any document according to according to my needs. So right here I'm selecting this document and I want to edit this as my CV. So you can see this is a predefined and well written document, and you can easily edit this according to your needs. So first of all, I want to edit my name here. So you have to write your name here, then you can change your picture here as well. Plus you can change all these details: work experience, education, your key skills and characteristics. So main purpose of this demonstration is to uh, show that option which is already available in Microsoft Word, and you don't have to create anything from scratch, and you don't have to waste any time on the document formatting, or you don't have to waste any time on the design creation. So this is very useful tool. Make sure you use this tool to create your professional CV. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.